Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Andrews, Director of Integrated Career Development here at the School of Continuing Studies. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about the career development resources that are available to you as a student. I offer one-on-one career coaching on a variety of career development topics. So we can talk about anything from your resume to your LinkedIn profile to getting you ready for your next job interview. I also offer workshops on a variety of career development topics. I also have a YouTube channel where many of my past workshops are recorded, so you can watch them anytime that's convenient for you. You also have access to job listings on a system called Handshake. We also have an internship program that you can take advantage of. I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon, so if you want to make an appointment, go to www.calendly.com/LA851.